Hello, everyone. I welcome you all in my YouTube channel, Job Science. And once again, I am here with you with all of the new and latest jobs. But today, my all jobs are from Qatar. And I'm hoping that you would be waiting for all of the jobs from Middle East side. And this is first job is delivery rider wanted in Qatar, chef Indian job in Qatar, waiter waitresses required in Qatar, advertising marketing executive vacancy, field supervisor needed in Qatar. And then QC microbiologist job in Qatar, salesman cum driver vacancy in Qatar, receptionist job in Qatar, junior accountant urgent hiring, excavator operator accountant job. So that is my job list today. I'm hoping that there is something for you as well, and hoping for you a good future with good sort of jobs and businesses. So let's start with today's video. So starting from the message from my side that subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon as well for all of the latest updates. I want you people to like all my videos and share my channel in your friends group. And thank you all for watching my video up to the end. Then details of the jobs. Delivery rider wanted in Qatar. So we are a delivery company and we require delivery riders. So there is a company that based on delivery things and they are required some riders and but only those who can have the driving license can apply for this job. And you wanted to earn in addition to the current job you have. So by the way, it's a part-time job and they want someone who want to add some money in their the current or existing job. So they are wanting some people who are free in the evening or in the morning can go for them for this kind of job. And if you lost job or and while waiting for a new job, you can join our team. So it's very interesting. It sounds very interesting, by the way. So it means they are human friendly and they want someone to be with them. They want a jobless person to be with them to do something. So the delivery rider wanted in Kuwait, in Qatar, sorry. So we are a delivery company and we require delivery riders. Good package awaits you. So they think that they are giving you a good package as well. So if you are interested and you want to do this kind of job, you have the license as well. So apply for this job. This is they have mentioned their email address. Share your CV at this email address and for any other details. Then chef Indian job in Qatar, urgently looking for Indian cook with your own visa within Qatar only. And obviously, the jobs are the locals. And look for the local ones, only those who are living in Qatar and those who are Qatar nationals can apply for these jobs. So this is there is a job for Indian cook. So they need someone to apply for this job, but the person should have his own visa, and the change of sponsorship will be done. This can be done, but they are not providing you the visa. Minimum skill of Indian food, Chinese food, and Indian roti. So what they want in you, you should know how to cook Indian food, Chinese food, and Indian rotis as well. So contact on WhatsApp. Through WhatsApp, with an experience of minimum 3 years. So if you are hand-on, if you have an hand-on experience in Indian food and Chinese food and Indian rotis, and you have at least 3 years experience as well. Only in that case, please apply. And they have given their WhatsApp number. Share your CV and contact them through this number. Now, next job is waiter, waitress required in Qatar. Looking for waiter and waitresses able to work in restaurant and catering. So they are needing some waiter and waitresses, and there is a restaurant, and they are also have some kind of business regarding catering as well. So they are giving you some specific benefits like food, transportation, accommodation. Also, the although the accommodation is shared one, but still there is accommodation is available for them for their workers. So fluent English speaker, so they need a person who can speak in English very well. And but Arabic is must be an advantage. If he knows how to speak in Arabic, then this could be considered as an advantage, and they will prefer the person who can speak bilingual. Then local hire only. And once again, this job too is local job only for those people who are living in Qatar and those who can Qatar who are Qatar nationals. Then better someone with transferable visa. So they want someone to have the transferable visa QID 18 and immediate hire. They need a person who can join them on an immediate base. So please send CV and expected salary on WhatsApp. So share your CV along with your expectation of the salary as well. So if you are interested, you are doing nothing these days. So it's a good opportunity to go and opt for this job. Then advertising marketing executive vacancy. So there is another specific marketing executive kind of job looking for experienced sales marketing and a professional in the in the advertising field. So they need a person who have an experience in marketing and sales, but for advertising field. Candidates with driving license only apply. Car, fuel, mobile, and sharing accommodation will be provided. Please share your resume on the following. So the person should have their driving license. And if you are interested, please share your CV at the following given email address. Then field supervisor needed in Qatar. We are looking for field supervisor. And interested candidates in Qatar, please send your CV. Updated means your latest resume, QID, passport, a blue background, passport size photo. And they need from their employer these four very important things. If you want to apply for this job, you must have your updated CV or your resume, QID, passport, and a blue background, passport size photo as well. So it's very important to have all these things. If you have all these four things, only in that case you can apply for this job. Share your all these documents, copy of, I mean, images of all these documents on this email address. And if you want any other details from them, you can contact them through this email address too. Then QC microbiologist job in Qatar, well-reputed food company in Qatar urgently looking for a QC microbiologist. So if you are interested and you have any related experience, share your CV on the following given email address. Then data entry operator male job. They need a data entry, some data entry based company, and they need a person who can operate that data entry system. And main entries will be purchase, bills, sales, bills, and accounts. Obviously, entries could be related to something, and the company is basically needing a person who can add the purchase bills and sales bills and counts entries of all these kinds of bills. Must have 6 month paper or sponsorship change, and salary 2000 give with accommodation. So they are giving you the salary 2000 with accommodation. And if you are interested and you have an experience regarding the data entry operator, and in that case you can share your CV on the following given number, WhatsApp number, and you can contact them for further details as well. Then salesman come driver. So salesman and driver is needing there in Qatar, and want to sell the bread items to supermarkets and groceries. So it's a kind of a thing that they have distributors kind of thing, kind of a job, and you need to bring the breads for all of the markets and grocery stores. And basic salary is QR 1700 plus commission plus food plus accommodation. And monthly target is QR 30,000. So if you have beat this target, so then you'll be eligible for 10% commission above QR 30,000 sales. So if you have meet all that sales target, then you will be getting 10% of the commission as well. So light vehicle drivers, so along with the salesman they need a person who can drive a light vehicle cars as well, vehicles as well. So light vehicle driving license is mandatory, and experience in FMCG sales will be an advantage. So if you have an experience in FMCG sales, FMCG is basically with the clothing, sale of clothing things. And so contact number is 30849050. So if you are interested, share your CV and contact them for any other further details. So this would be helpful for you. Then a receptionist job in Qatar, receptionist one, immediate joining, 2500 full package, freshers can also apply for this job. In the responsibilities, among responsibilities, the person must be capable of handling the customers and can be able to enter the data regarding the purchase, regarding the sales, or whatsoever the need is. And then attending the phone calls at the front desk as well. And the person should be able to take the calls, and that is why they all most of the time they said that the person should be able to speak in English along with their Arabic language. So these things are mandatory for all those kind of jobs. If you are not doing the jobs in your own country, then whatsoever the country is, you need to know the language of that country as well in order to communicate. So communication is very, very important, and so if you are capable of doing all these things and you are in the search of job as well, so please share your CV at the following given number, WhatsApp number, and you can contact them for further details if you want to know any other thing regarding the jobs. Then junior accountant is needed there in Qatar. A well-reputed building materials trading company is hiring junior accountant urgently. So they need building material, basically building based company, and they need junior accountants. Competitive salary package will be given. So they are giving you the good package, by the way, and in country hire only. So once again, a type of a local hire job means local job. One or drop your resume at WhatsApp, strictly WhatsApp only. So please drop your resume on the WhatsApp only. Do not need to go there for the submitting your application, and do not forget to mention the position in the mail subject if you are mailing them your so if you are sending them your resume, so mention the position as well, that it is the job of junior accountant, right? And so they have given you the WhatsApp number. Share your CV with the subject mentioning junior accountant in the on the top. And then excavator operator, send your CV through WhatsApp only, please, for location and schedules interview. So they didn't mention anything in this job. So if you know how to operate the excavators, so only in that case apply for the job. Share your CV through this contact number. This is their number, and you are not allowed to call them. You just need to share your CV and for the location and schedule of interview. So if they are interested in you, only in that case they will send you their location and the schedule of interview. So that was my last job from Qatar. I thank you all for the patience listening. We will meet again in the next video. Up till now, bye bye.